Welcome back to the channel. KF-1 Boramae, South Korea's next-generation fighter jet, represents a significant leap forward in the nation's aerospace capabilities. Designed and developed by Korea Aerospace Industries in partnership with Indonesia, the KF-21 is a 4.5-generation multirole fighter intended to replace aging fleets and elevate South Korea's air power to a level previously dominated by global superpowers. The Block I configuration is the initial production variant of the KF-1. While not yet a full 5th-generation stealth fighter, Block I is engineered with stealth features and cutting-edge avionics that put it on par with the most capable jets in service today. It's seen as a stepping stone towards eventual full stealth capability, with Block II and later variants likely to incorporate internal weapon bays and further radar cross-section reductions. Externally, the KF-1 bears a resemblance to the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II, and that's no accident. Its sleek, angular design was optimized for reduced radar signature, although Block I still carries weapons externally rather than internally. Even so, its radar-absorbent materials and carefully contoured surfaces significantly reduce its detectability. Equipped with an active electronically scanned array AESA radar, developed domestically by Hamwa Systems, the Boramae has robust target tracking and engagement capabilities. This radar, combined with infrared search and track systems, electronic warfare suites, and advanced data links, gives the KF-1 a high level of situational awareness and survivability. Powering the aircraft are two General Electric F-1 engines, the same type used in the FEA-180A Super Hornet. These engines provide a combined thrust that allows the KF-1 to reach a maximum speed of Mach 1.8, with an impressive range and agility that's suited for both air superiority and precision strike missions. It's capable of carrying a wide array of munitions, including air-to-air missiles like the AIM-120 MRAM and the IRIS-T, as well as precision-guided bombs. In Block I configuration, most of these weapons are mounted on external hardpoints, with 6 underwing and 4 under-fuselage stations. One of the defining characteristics of the KF-21 program is the level of indigenous development. Around 65% of the components in Block I are made in South Korea. This includes the avionics, mission computer, radar, and flight control systems. It's a major achievement that positions South Korea as a serious contender in the global defense industry. The partnership with Indonesia, while complex at times, has contributed both financially and technically, with Jakarta expected to eventually receive a number of aircraft for its own air force. The first flight of the KF-21 took place in July 2022, marking a historic moment. Since then, multiple prototypes have undergone rigorous flight testing. The Republic of Korea Air Force is expected to begin acquiring Block I units by the mid-2020s, with initial operating capability projected before the decade's end. By then, dozens of these aircraft will be in service, replacing older fighters like the F-4 Phantom and F-5 Tiger, and gradually augmenting the F-15 and F-16 fleets. Strategically, the KF-1 strengthens South Korea's position in East Asia, with rising regional tensions and the increasing sophistication of neighboring air forces. The Boramae provides a credible, domestically controlled platform capable of deterring aggression and projecting power. It also signals a shift away from dependency on foreign suppliers and toward defense self-reliance. While the Block I may not yet rival the F-35 in terms of stealth, it sets the foundation for future development. The planned Block II variant aims to introduce internal weapons bays, improved stealth characteristics, and even greater indigenous content. Over the next decade, the KF-1 is poised to become not just a symbol of technological pride for South Korea, but also a serious export contender on the global stage. In essence, the KF-1 Boramae Block I is more than just a fighter jet. It's a statement, a demonstration of how far South Korea has come and how high it intends to fly.